Welcome to this guide on how to show tab groups in the Bookmarks bar on Google Chrome for PC, following the latest update. This new feature makes it easier to manage your browsing experience by organizing your tabs efficiently. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's open, you'll be ready to customize your settings. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is the menu button that provides access to various options and settings. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, scroll down to Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust different aspects of your Chrome experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Appearance. This section contains several options related to how Chrome looks and behaves on your screen. Now here comes the crucial step. Enable Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks bar. You will find a toggle switch for this option. Click on it to turn it on. This action will allow your tab groups to be displayed directly in your Bookmarks bar, making them easily accessible whenever you need them. After enabling this feature, you should see your tab groups appear in the Bookmarks bar. This means that all your organized tabs are just a click away, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. In summary, showing tab groups in the Bookmarks bar on Google Chrome is a straightforward process that involves opening Chrome, accessing settings through the three dots menu, navigating to appearance settings, and enabling the relevant option. With these steps completed, you can enjoy a more organized browsing experience with easy access to your tab groups. Thank you for following along. Now go ahead and make the most of this new feature in Google Chrome. Happy browsing!